What's up? How y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a wonderful day. Um, yeah, we're gonna get right into this. So, yeah, I got some NT and VXs. Yes. And yeah, I got those and show y'all what I'm doing today. I got these right here. I was kind of I didn't know if I want to go with these or the CTX, but I went with these. You got the filter, so got the tweet in the middle, so y'all can see. Spec sheet. Let me pull it up for you. Pull it up for you. Let's. So here we go. These are the ones I have right here. So let me, just in case I want to pause the video and look at it. There you go. All right. So yeah, we're gonna go out here, put these in the car, and yeah, let's make it happen. And I'll give y'all a sound test. I gotta find some uncopyrighted music though. But yeah, we'll go do that right now. All right, guys and girls, gentlemen, ladies, whatever you got down. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to take the door panel off of a Hyundai. Oh crap, a Hyundai 22 Hyundai Accent. I'm gonna show you how to take the door panel off, and yeah, if you need to replace your speakers or just need to take the door panel off for some odd reason. Here we go. Let me show you. Got a screw there. Y'all see this screw? And then take this off. Some of y'all gonna have a tweeter here, some not. I think I'm gonna buy the one with the tweeter and add the tweeter, because I can. So I think I might do that, but I'm not really for sure right now. And then you just grab onto the door and just pop it loose. Hold on. Let me show you if I can. Hold on. You can see. I pulled it off. I just grabbed it and pulled it with my hands, laid it to the side. Same thing with the door. I just kind of grab it and it'll eventually pop. You just keep. Y'all get it. You just keep going with it and it all pop apart. So yeah, that's how you take the door off. Then you have this, which you can take this and that off and it'll pop. And then you take these two off and they'll just be dangling, but I don't really do that. I just kind of lean the door to the side because I gotta know already get it out of my way. Change my speaker, which these are a 10. And yeah, unclamp that. And these are a 10. And yeah, this is from last time. Yeah, I didn't hook my door back up. I forgot to. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, so get your 10 mil. Put 10 mil in here. Get your snap there. And you're good to go. As y'all can see. yeah, that's it. I should get better sound. Okay, so the back door is a little different because you got a screw there and you have a screw here. So, oh yeah, you gotta take this piece off. Let me show y'all, and then you gotta take this piece off. So it's kind of reverse to that. So you gotta take this off, but on the front door, you don't have to take this piece off. So, so this, as y'all can see, there. See if I can do this with one hand. Okay, all right, I got it on there. All right, so that goes on like that, like so, and then you put the screw in there. So yeah, just it's a screw there. So remember, back door has 2 screws, one there, one there. Front door has 1 screw, and everything just pop off. So yeah, pop this off, screws, and this. Same thing for front door. Front door is over here, pop it off, screws. All right, peace. I'm out. Oh, what's up, guys? I forgot to show y'all the part number and whatnot, and show y'all what really came in the box. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, let me show you that now. Here, let me flip the camera around. So this is the part number for what I got for the Hyundai. So these are the, and then like it came with these, so we're gonna have to go in the front, but they're not gonna fit on my car. I can't get them, so because mine already have that plastic piece already over it. So, and it came with mounts, but I couldn't use these. So I ordered my mounts off of eBay, and then from there, all I had to do was a little bit of modifying, but not much, just a little bit. So that's what I did. I did a little bit of modifying on them, and it came out perfect. And yeah, I'll give y'all a sound test, but might get copyrighted, but we'll see about that. Or I'll just do a little bit. Maybe that's what I do. I just do a little hint, 30 minutes maybe or something. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but whatever. All right.